Alright, hey guys, this is Jason and I'm going to show you how you can update your Google sitemap from the Yoast SEO tool actually on your Google Search Console. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you how right now. Okay guys, I'm in my amazingstoredeals.com and I want to make sure the sitemap gets loaded into my Search Console. So what I'll be doing is going into my dashboard, okay, and I want to go to the Google, the Yoast SEO plugin area. I must not have clicked on it. There we go. And I want to pick the, where are you? The Yoast SEO. Right here. Okay, now I'm going to I'm going to go into General. And I'm going to go to Features. I'm going to scroll down until I see XML sitemap, which is right here. And I'm going to make sure it's on, which it is. And then I'm going to click here and click on Open this up in a new tab. Okay. When I open it up in a new tab, it'll pull in all of these different sitemaps. Now I want to make sure I've got products in there because I'm a SEO store, or excuse me, a product store. So I want to go back to the Google sitemaps and I just want to enter that last 4 digits right there, and I want to hit submit. Okay, when I hit submit, it'll process through on Google Search Console. And by the way, you have to be logged in the Google Search Console to make it work. Okay, all right, everything looks good. All right, success right there. Okay, so there's the products. Let me go back to here, and let's do categories. Okay, and let me go back up to here and submit. Okay, got it. Okay, there's 2. And then I'm going to want to do the overall sitemap right here. Doesn't have to be in this order, but that's what you want to do. And it's pretty simple to do. Got it. Okay. Now it said it can't fetch. I'll have to figure out why that's wrong. But I'll figure that out here in a minute. Oh, maybe it did work. Okay, I'll figure that out here in a minute. But that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. I'm going to do this one here also. And go back up to here, enter that there, make sure there's no site, okay, and hit submit. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do is to enter the sitemap, and you can see right there, everything's all set up and ready to go. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And then if you really like this, I actually have a special bonus at the very end for you. I got a free course online to teach you how to make $100 to $200 per day just by sending out emails. Very simple to do. Go ahead and you'll see the link. Might be up over here, over there, I'm not really sure where, but it'll be up there so that you can just click on it and go directly to that free course online. Alright guys, have a great day. I look forward to working with you. Bye.